Where are we?
I don't know. Apalachicola? And they think names in Massachusetts are difficult.
Apalachicola. Something like that. Cool little town on the Gulf Coast. Let's check it out. Converted gas station into a bar slash restaurant. It's kind of cool. Never seen that before. What do you think of the station, Robert?
A gas station that serves food.
It used to be a gas station.
See on the top of the door? That's in memory of.
Dale Earnhardt? I see. I thought that was a green duck. I guess it's just part of a tree.
It looks like Marshall.
You want some drink?
Does that look like Marshall to you? Yes, hi beautiful. Look a boy.
What do you think?
Look a boy. How old is he?
He's 2.
Aww. He's 2, Max. He's younger than you.
He's just a baby.
Bingo! 7:30 Tuesday.
That somebody didn't like seal this up, because that would be so awesome.
That's what Google's for.
Hello. Oh, you'd like to speak to Max? Hang on a second, please.
Put some change in there.
That's a big phone, huh?
Numbers?
Press the numbers?
Yes.
Okay, what numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh.
Is there anybody there?
Who are you calling?
And that was a quick walk through Apalachicola. Apalachicola?
Apalachicola.
Somewhere on the Gulf Coast.